Hi, my name is Sahil, and in this course I will show you how to implement serverless architectures in Azure. In this introductory course on serverless architecture, I first start explaining what serverless architecture is. Then I explain concepts such as Azure Functions and the benefits and drawbacks of serverless architecture. Then we go about writing an application using Azure Functions, which I then extend using other serverless components in Azure, such as Cosmos DB. And then I finally end with explaining how you can write greenfield applications using serverless architecture or legacy brownfield applications using serverless architecture. Serverless architecture can help you save costs and help you build more reliable applications. No wonder everybody's talking about it these days. I hope you enjoy watching this course. Welcome to Beginning Serverless Architecture in Azure.